Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to safely remove a theme from WordPress site. Now before we start, I have to notify you that in order to access a lot of the features and be able to install and upgrade the plugins and start a WooCommerce website in WordPress.com, you're going to have to pay for a subscription. This costs $40. Now I didn't pay for this subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow my instructions, you're going to be able to remove the theme in WordPress in no time. Now let's start by following these few steps together. The first step is to switch to a different theme. First, activate a different theme by going to appearances. Now before you do that, you have to access your WordPress account, and to do so, just go to wordpress.com and enter your account credentials and log in. Once logged in, you're going to be directed to this dashboard right here. From here, go to appearances in the left sidebar right here next to the brush icon and click on it. After that, click on themes right here and select another theme like 2023 or this one. The second step is to delete the theme. Now hover over the theme, let's go back. Hover over the theme you want to remove and click theme details. Let's go back. Let's click on the three dots right here. Click on infos. And in the pop-up window, click delete button in the bottom right corner. You can even customize it, etc. And for the third and final step is use a file manager. If you can't access your dashboard, log into your hosting account and open file manager and navigate to WP contents, themes, and then delete the theme folder you want to remove. For additional tips, always keep at least one default WordPress theme for emergencies and back up your site before making major changes. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.